you look at the way prices of things are going up, if you look at the way the economy is changing, if you look at the way inflation is eating up people's money, of course, you want to begin to think of passive income ideas and how you can begin to earn money for yourself on the side. Okay, so first, what is passive income? Passive income is just, in a layman's language, is you doing something once and then you keep earning from that thing you did. Putting your effort into something once and then you keep earning from that effort. Or you invest your money into an investment and then you keep earning from it without you putting your effort into it anymore. So that is how passive income actually works. So without wasting your time, let's quickly dive into this idea. So idea number one I'll be talking about is dividend stock investing. And of course, I know you've heard about this several times, but it's actually easier than it is being said. Okay, so when it comes to dividend stock, a lot of people say, how do I start? I don't even know where to start. And I've actually made a video where I explain how you can use the Bamboo app, how you can use the Cowrywise app to start investing in stock, to start investing in mutual funds. And of course, when I say dividend stock investing, of course, even though it involves you investing in dividend stocks, you can also invest in mutual funds, you can also invest in commercial papers, you can also invest in treasury bills, you can also invest in money market funds. There are different options you have as far as paper assets are concerned that you can invest in. So when we say dividend stock, what exactly am I talking about? I'm talking about you investing your money or buying a share of a particular company. Okay, so for example, we have the banking sector, banking industry, and we have different first tier banks that you can actually buy. We have communication industry too, and in the communication industry, we have the major communication industry in Nigeria that you can actually invest your money in. Okay, so you can invest in MTN, you can invest in GT Bank, you can invest in Dangote Cement, and these are some of the platforms or some of the stocks you can buy because these are real company in Nigeria that you can buy their shares. And when you buy their shares, what you are actually doing is you are buying part of the company. So when the company actually make money at the end of their financial year, which is actually different from bank to bank or different from one share to another, when they make money at the end of the year, they actually share part of the share. They call it dividend. Okay, so part of the profit is being shared among the shareholders, of which you are also part of them if you have any of their shares. So that is how it actually works. So as the companies are making money, of course you are also making money. So if you are using any of these banks, you are using MTN for communication and you don't have a share in MTN, then that's not the best way to go about it. You are spending money, you should be receiving money from them in return as well. You are using GTCO or UBA or Zenith Bank, of course they have shares, you can also buy shares from them, and as they are charging you those fees, you have to be getting it back from the shares you buy, and not only that, you'll be getting much more with it. And then if you look at the past 1 year now, dividend stocks, stocks generally has done close to 100%, and not just the 100% capital gain, there is also people earning from their dividend as well. So you have the capital gain, your capital is increasing, and the other way, you also have more money coming to you through dividend and the profit that the company makes. Of course, that's how to go about it. So dividend stock is the number one passive income idea I'll be telling you about. So you just put your money into it. You have to do your research first. Put your money into your dividend stocks, into any stocks that you think is good. And I'll be making videos on how you can do your research on any of the stock you want to buy. Okay, so you put your money into it, and then the return from dividends will be paying you every year. Apart from that, your capital will also be growing depending on how well the company is doing. So the second one I'll be talking about is real estate crowdfunding. And you see, just like the name implies, real estate is involved, crowdfunding is involved. Now, here what we're actually dealing with is crowdfunding actually. Now, you see the initial money that you need in order to buy land, in order to build a house is a very big one. And a lot of us don't have that. But with 10,000 naira, you can start investing in real estate. And that is where the crowdfunding part of it actually comes in. So in the real estate crowdfunding part, what you actually want to do is you gather people together, you bring in your funds together in a pool, and from that fund you can finance a project, a real estate project, and then you start earning money from the rent that is coming from that project. Or if they actually sell the project, they sell the house for capital appreciation, then the money will be shared among people that contributed. So this actually, we have platforms like RiseVest, like Corium in Nigeria here, where you can start with as little as 10,000 naira. You bring your money together and then they invest in a real estate project. So you don't have to be the one doing all the landlord work, doing all the work. So this platform actually raise money for real estate investors, for real estate developers. They raise money for them. The developer will go ahead and build the house, and then after building the house, renting it out or selling it, then the profit will be shared among people that contributed money for the project. So That is how real estate crowdfunding is done. And just like I've told you, RiseVerse is one of the platforms, Corion is one of the platforms you can use to earn money. With as little as 10,000 naira, you can start real estate crowdfunding investment as a passive, is a source of passive income. And that's my second idea. The third idea I'll be talking about is digital product. And when you hear the word digital, digital means it's online. It means it is something not physical. It is something that is more of a soft copy than a hard copy. Okay, so it's digital product. An example of these digital products are ebooks. These are templates. These are guides. These are online resources that, of course, you can actually upload online and you can sell to people instantly, and you start earning money for yourself. So if you have a knowledge in something, let's say you have a knowledge in business, you have a knowledge or a career skill, or you know how to do something as a side hustle, of course you can begin to package them into a written form. Okay, you write books about them, ebooks, you write templates or guides about them, or teach people on how to do something. There is something you can do, and then you know a lot of people don't know how to do, and people are searching for how to do it. You can put those information into a book in form of a guide in order for them to be able to do that thing. And by the time you put it inside a book or in a guide, you put it there and you put a price there. And you can use platforms like seller.co, you can use a platform like Paystack Storefront, you can use a platform like Gumroad. It makes it easy for you to actually upload and to sell. So there is a guy that was actually selling an ebook, and he made an ebook about how to start mini importation. And as you know, a lot of people want to start mini importation. So he made a book. He compiled his ideas into a book. He wrote the book and then uploaded it online. And he put 3,000 naira per ebook. Okay, so at the end of the month, he was able to make to sell 200 copies. 200 copies of that book generated about 600,000 naira for him, and that's how you can make passive income by you just creating that ebook once. You can create several ebooks, but that particular one you create will be generating money for you as people are buying that ebook from you. So, or whether a guide or whatsoever you put on the platform. So that is how you can make money from digital products. Okay, so just package whatsoever you have into an ebook, into a guide, and into something you can upload online. People can actually pay money to download it, and of course, that is how it is done. So another idea I'll be talking about is affiliate marketing, and of course I've made a lot of money from affiliate marketing myself, that I was even surprised on how easy it is. So it is so easy. If you just have people that are following you, that you can just market something to them, maybe following you on Instagram, following you on TikTok, or on your WhatsApp group, or on your WhatsApp status. You can actually look for platforms like Partner, like Stakeouts, where you can actually look for a product that interests you and you can market. You get an affiliate link from that product, and then you go to platforms like WhatsApp, TikTok, and Instagram, and then you go ahead and put the link under your post. You make a post about a product, then you put your link under the post, or you make a YouTube video telling people on how a product works and how they can also use it for the betterment of themselves. And then you use the link, you put the link in the description of the video, so that anybody that is interested in the product can actually use the link in the description in order to buy the product. And by so doing, you are going to earn a lot of money. Of course, people that actually do affiliate marketing, and if the product you are selling is even a digital product where the person only makes the product once, and of course he keeps selling them. So if you are doing affiliate marketing for things like ebook, you can even get up to 50% profit from it, because the person has made the book and is interested in more people buying, and in as much as you bring more people to buy the book, you can earn 50% of whatsoever amount they put, they sell the ebook, which is a good way by which you can earn money as well. Another one I'll be talking about is YouTube automation. And of course, YouTube automation is more of platforms, people that actually do faceless YouTube channel. They don't show their face, but what they do is they automate everything. When it comes to voiceover, we go and look for tests, maybe through ChatGPT. They generate tests, they generate scripts, or they can write it by themselves, and then they go to platforms like 11 Labs in order to generate voiceover. When they get the voiceover, they go to platforms like Pixabay to get stock videos that are royalty free, that you can actually use. You combine the videos together with the audio, and then you bring them together to make videos, and they upload it online, and they start earning money. In a matter of 3 to 6 months, as people begin to watch them, they have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. They monetize the channel and they start earning money with it. So that is how YouTube automation works actually. You don't really have to show yourself, and then you can actually, there are platforms that can help you do all of these things I've mentioned. They can help you create faceless YouTube channel. You create the channel, then they help you make videos automatically. Just tell them what your ideas are, and then you generate the script, generate the video, and bring everything together. And all you just have to do is upload them, and you'll be earning money from it. Another one I will talk about is print on demand, and that's idea number 6. And print on demand, of course, is one of the best way you can also earn money. All you just have to do is to know how to design. Just design, just make a design, and that design can be put on clothes, it can be put on mugs, it can be put on different things actually. So, what we have platforms like Redbubble, we have platforms like Teespring, we have platforms like Printify, which actually helps you in doing all of the work. So what you just have to do is you upload the design, so like a code or an artwork to a website, and then when you upload it to Redbook, Teespring, or Printify, what they are going to do is they are going to print those designs. Whenever anybody order for a clothes with that design, they are going to be the one to actually design that design you made. They will put it on the cloth or on the mug or on anything that the person wanted to buy, and then you are going to earn commission from it. You make the design, they have the clothes, so they put your design on the clothes. The person buys the clothes with your design, and then you earn commission from the clothes that is being sold. So you can put, there is a guy that actually did one. You remember the time when people were saying, I no go gree for anybody. So he designed a particular design where he say no gree for anybody, and then he put the design on Printify, and then people were buying from him. He also made one that is called soft life loading, and people are actually buying. So you can look for a slang that people are very familiar with. You make that design about it, and of course it will be put in clothes, in mugs, and people can actually request to buy them, and you earn commission from it. Another one I'll be talking about, idea number 7, is blogging and Google AdSense. And of course, in this year and age, due to AI and every other thing, people think blogging doesn't sell, but it does sell as well, because there are still people that are making money with it. So you want to create a blog, and still have people that earn between 120 to 250,000 naira just starting blogs, and they earn that much. So in blogging is still one of the reliable passive income ideas or sources that you can actually start right now. If you are consistent with it, you write articles. In fact, AI will help you write those articles. It makes it even better. AI will make it better. It doesn't, because people think with AI now, blogging might not be the best. But actually, what AI will do is even help you improve on your writing for your blog, and you are going to, something that used to take you 3 days before, within 3 hours, you can actually accomplish it. And you have a lot of blogs posts that you can actually post. And the more you post, the more people watch them, or the more people, visitors you have on your platform, the more money you make. So you can actually make a lot of money by doing blogging and putting Google AdSense on your website or your blog. So another idea, which is idea number 8, is crypto staking and savings. And of course, people think they can only trade with crypto. I don't want to lose my money. I don't want to lose my money. Of course, there is still a way you can go about it. You can buy USDT, which is a stable coin, and of course, you can stake it on platforms. The value of your USDT still remains the same no matter what happens in the market. So you are not losing your money, and then they give you a percentage at the end of the year. Some people between 7 to 10% you get on your staking or on your savings on crypto platforms, and that's one way by which you can earn money for yourself. Another one I'll be talking about is idea number 9, which is online courses and membership site. And we have online courses sites and membership sites like the Seller, like Teachable, like Udemy. And of course, I know you must have heard of any of this, where you can put in your online course. If you have an online course, you can put it and package them together, put them on Udemy, put them on Teachable, put them on Sellers, and of course you can upload them there. And people that need the course, they are going to make payments in order to get those courses. They go through the course and also get knowledge on what they wanted to do, which is also one of the ways by which you can make money for yourself. The 10th one I'll be talking about actually is building a simple app or tools. And I know you might want to think, I don't know how to code. How do I build simple app, or how do I build those tools? Of course, there are platforms like Glide, there are platforms like Bubble that can help you build apps. Just put in a prompt of what you want, and these platforms are going to generate the app for you. And these simple apps I'm talking about, they don't have to be very complex tools. You can just create an app about budgeting, like the budgeting tools app, or you can create an app for business people, like business calculator, that people can just use, and then you put an advert on the app. As people are using it, the advert will be displaying, will be earning money from assets. So you can build a simple app that people can just use. Or if there is a particular problem you notice among people that are doing business, you can just go ahead with it to create an app that they can download on Google Play Store that will help them solve the situation. And then you put an ad in the app, where which as they are using the app, you are also getting something in return. So that is how it actually works. And these are the 10 passive income ideas that actually works in Nigeria that you can start right now, and it's going to make you a lot of money. So if this has been helpful for you, I want you to click the like button, I want you to click the subscribe button, and also share this video with as many people as you think is going to help. So on this note, I will be saying see you in my next video, and bye for now.